conference, sustainable restoration of agricultural landscapes after military activities, is co-organized by the Leibniz Center for Agricultural and Landscape Research, NGO Permaculture in Ukraine, and Open International University of Human Development Ukraine. Our sponsors, supporters are Kölner Gymnasial and Stiftungs and German-Ukrainian cooperation in organic agriculture. But the main party that enabled this conference and our life in Ukraine is the army forces, Ukrainian army forces, and we are extremely grateful to them for this opportunity and for the possibility. And we ask you to support, in particular, the member of our Ukrainian permaculture community who now serve in the army forces. Here on the slide, in the right side, we display some of our crowdfunding campaign. Please support. One is for air race, and another is for the first aid kits. So the first is run by our member of our community. We know this person very well, so it's very reliable crowdfunding. And another is run by our organization. At this point, we don't buy the kits ourselves, but we network with the NGO Podorozhnik, who buy kits for Ukrainian army forces, including for the member of Ukrainian permaculture communities. Please support. The aims of our conference is to connect to identify and connect all Ukrainian actors in the field of restoration of agricultural landscapes. It's scientists, it's national and international non-governmental organizations. Also, we try to promote some governmental initiatives, and we hope that they would be interested. And we also welcomed young scientists to join this research, which is important for restoration of our countries, and they were welcome to submit abstracts and present their posters. If you are the one who would like to submit a poster presentation, please also report to us in the chat. Just let us know that you would like to present the poster. The format is very simple. You show ideally one slide or maximum 3 slides, and it's very, very short talk from 3 to 5 minutes when you present the main finding. If you're a student, you can present the outline of your experiment with the aim to get some advices from more experienced researchers and to find some collaborators. And then we will give the next 5 minutes for very brief discussions. So you can, of course, present within the session. We have 9 sessions on agricultural restoration of agricultural landscape, but you can also present it at whatever time you like. We will have all discussion and poster presentation session at the end of our conference. So please let us know if you would like to present your poster. Then we also try to represent the main national and international ongoing projects in the field of restoration, with the aim that each party will see each other and they will see scientists, and maybe they can also promote the initiatives among farmers to find beneficiaries in their research. So we would also like to define scenarios of agricultural restoration after military activities, and we would like to just to pinpoint the strategies depending on the complex of available conditions, and we would like to develop recommendations for different options, like expert scientific recommendations in the form of a conference resolution. And this conference resolution will be delivered to the main Ukrainian and international organization active in the field of landscape restoration of the military activities. So, of course, our aim is to facilitate networking within Ukrainian researchers and activists, and between Ukrainian and international researchers. And for that, we will have a special networking session at the end of each day of the conference. If we would like to facilitate participation of farmers and communities in research and pilot project on land restoration, so in particular presenters, please feel free to promote your surveys or sample collection campaigns. I think that our conference is one of the places to find respondents for your research. As one of the conference co-organizer is NGO Permaculture in Ukraine, so we would like to our activity is exclusively on sustainable scenarios of land restoration, and one of the most sustainable scenarios, on our opinion, is establishing of perennial woody systems, in particular agroforestry. And we would particularly support, as an organization, agroforestry project, restoration project. So we would like to find those interested in these projects. And finally, as this is the second event of German-Ukrainian educational and research cooperation, we would like to visualize available activities that you can join this collaboration and benefit from the outputs, and we can further develop this collaboration. As for the outputs, I already mentioned that we will have a conference resolution. Also, we are planning to write an article, research article, and submit it to the international peer-reviewed journal. If you are interested in co-authorship in this article, please contact me. You will see at the top of the slide my email, and after the conference, we will think how to organize this writing process. We already started it, but you can join as a co-author, of course, under conditions that you're ready to contribute to this writing. Also, maybe I would mention briefly about the topic of our conference. It says that restoration of agricultural landscape after military activities. I specifically proposed this topic not after victory or liberation of Ukrainian lands, but just the situation in Ukraine is such that farmers or rural inhabitants, they re-establish their agricultural activities as soon as they have access to the land. And we need to, of course, develop the long-term strategy of restoration, but also the short-term strategies. So please think holistically about different strategies that we could propose at different stages of agricultural landscape restoration.